Welcome to the Sierra Club, Loma Prieta chapter, 2017 Guardians of Nature benefit to honor Kat Taylor and Tom Steyer. I first heard of Tom Steyer, 2013, Next Gen Climate Change. I was further impressed, but also learned that he and his wife have a ranch in Pescadero that's inside our chapter. Conservation Committee saw that they were deserving of a special award, brought it before the Executive Committee, which unanimously voted to present the Sierra Club chapter's first ever Environmental Sustainability Award to Kat Taylor and Tom Steyer for their work at the Tomcat Ranch.
We were so humbled to be asked to be honored here at the Loma Prieta chapter of the Sierra Club, an organization with whom we partner on so many levels. We can return to and improve regenerative practices and these restored lands. But sadly, fortunes have been made serially by denuding soils. We can move from the taking economy to the nature of economies, as Jane Jacobs so presciently advised, if we never, ever separate environmental well-being from social justice again, and always base our development paradigm on equity.
It is a gigantic undertaking to rebuild this country in a clean way. And it's something we absolutely have to do if we're going to survive and thrive. The one thing I believe is the will of the American people, going right back to Abraham Lincoln, the most powerful force in the United States of America. Organizations like this, deeply value-driven Americans standing up for their deepest belief, that is more powerful than money. So bless you guys, and thank you very much.
Our chapter has 13 outings sections. We have scores of volunteers. Our Conservation Committee has 14 different issue committees covering everything from air quality to water and wildlife.
Your work at Tomcat Ranch is an inspiration at a time when we need it most. You are both bright stars showing us the way out of the gloom and darkness that we are all so desperately concerned about today.
So I present you, Tanley, with the Lenny Roberts Environmental Youth Advocacy Award in recognition of your outstanding environmental advocacy work.
All of you here, spending your Friday night here, are part of a vibrant, increasingly diverse, growing, powerful, and close-knit community, and you're making a real, measurable, positive impact on the world. I want to say thanks. Thanks for not giving up. Thanks for being beautiful and visionary and tenacious and persistent, relentless and creative and fun. Thank you.